just stop where you are.
Stop where you are. Put your hands out to the side. Put your hands out to the side.
What are you doing?
Hands out to the side,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Put your hands out to the
Put
side.
a taser away, man.
Put your hands out to the
Behave
side.
yourself. What are you
Put your hands out to
doing?
the side.
Today's video is from the laughing Auditor. You'll find their link down below. So go show them some support and check out the full clip. He walks into a car park with nothing but a camera and a gimbal. 90 seconds later, he's staring down a taser, surrounded by 8 officers, and hearing the words, "You've messed up today." By the end of this video, he'll be handcuffed, arrested, and stripped of every piece of equipment he owns, but here's the twist. Months later, he's the one walking out of court, smiling. Was this a justified stop, or a police force that jumped the gun? Stick around, because this one gets messy fast.
You're right.
Stop where you are.
You just stop where you are.
Stop where you are. Put your hands out to the side. Put your hands out to the side.
What are you doing?
Hands out to the side,
What are you
mate.
doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Put your hands out to the
Put a
side.
taser away, man.
Put your hands out to the
Behave
side.
yourself. What are you
Put your hands out to
doing?
the side.
Behave yourself.
Stay where you are.
Wow. Seriously, you pull a taser on me for what?
Huh?
What's your...
Potentially got a weapon in your
A weapon in my pocket? You're off your head.
Okay.
Oh, you've messed up today.
Okay.
You've messed up big time.
Okay.
I need you all to identify yourself.
Why are you in this car park?
None of your business. How about that?
It is my business.
No, it's not your business.
Property. You can't
It's
be
not your
running around
business.
the
Does that look like a weapon to you?
I don't know what it is, mate.
Yeah, absolute plonkers. Put the taser away.
This is the moment that will define the entire rest of this video. A taser, pointed directly at a man's face, over an unidentified object in his pocket. Under UK police guidance, tasers are only supposed to be deployed when an officer reasonably believes there's a genuine risk of harm and reasonably is doing a lot of heavy lifting here. Once a weapon is drawn, everything downstream gets more volatile. Adrenaline spikes, voices raise, and de-escalation becomes exponentially harder. Notice how he immediately starts narrating what's happening for the camera. That's a deliberate auditing tactic, creating a real-time record specifically because he knows how these encounters can be disputed afterward. Was pointing a taser justified here? Or was this an overreaction that made the whole situation worse?
There is no weapon here.
Okay,
Put the taser away.
Okay.
You're pointing a fucking taser at me. Put it away.
Stop, don't talk about it like
You're
that.
pointing a gun at me. Put it away. Okay? I don't carry any weapons.
Okay.
Put it away.
I'll put it away.
Put your taser away.
Stop.
You're
Don't
taking
tell
a
me what to
piss.
do.
I'm walking
Don't tell
about
me
and you
what to
pulled
do.
a fucking
Just need to-
taser on me.
Okay, right,
Put the taser away.
Listen to me.
Stop shouting.
Okay.
Shut up, you're just pointing a gun, a loaded weapon
listen,
at
Yeah,
me.
because
Right,
you're walking
at the
around a
moment,
police car
Okay,
park.
What?
you're detained
I'm
for
watching it.
search.
You hear
okay?
yourself?
You come onto this property.
And what?
The police property.
And what?
Right, you've got a hood up mask on.
And what?
Okay, you're acting suspicious.
What are you doing? Don't touch my GoPro. Don't interfere with my evidence. What are you doing? Don't turn it off. What on earth are you doing?
Handcuffed, with his gimbal already confirmed harmless, and critically, his primary camera switched off by an officer. That last detail matters more than it might seem. Bodycam footage exists precisely to create an independent record of encounters like this, which means when a citizen's own camera gets turned off mid-arrest, it creates a gap that can only be filled by conflicting accounts. Whatever happened in that missing stretch, we're about to rejoin the footage already in the middle of a heated exchange. Tempers clearly haven't cooled, and neither side is backing down. Keep an eye on how the tone shifts once the recording resumes.
This is the one that turned it off. Say hello.
Buddy.
You found yourself
You
in
take it
trouble.
back, buddy.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
Listen, take it off. Take it off, mate. Absolute mug. Ever put your hands on me again, son? You understand?
Just remember, you are
Just
still
talk to me,
detained at the
talk
minute
to
for
me.
research.
Talk to
okay?
me.
Martin, that's
You are
fine.
still
That's
detained
fine,
for
but he's
research.
not going to put his hands on me. I can assure you of that.
Can't
Yeah,
use
that's fine.
force
Look,
for
mate.
research.
What?
Listen.
You've already used force.
Hey.
You put a taser on
Hey,
me.
listen,
You
listen.
put me in
Buddy,
cuffs.
buddy,
Like a weapon
I'm doing the
sticking out
search.
your
Talk to me,
pocket.
all right? Let's get this bag
Well,
unlocked.
tell her to shut her
Listen,
mouth.
listen. We'll get this bag unlocked.
Absolute
We'll have a look
mug.
inside and then you can get on your way, all right?
Where's my gimbal, by
Okay.
the way? Where's my property? The thing that you thought was a
Still not
weapon.
over that because you're still detained for research.
Can I get it back, please?
You will.
After-
As soon as you
after
open that, I have a look inside, then you're good to go, all right?
You're not looking at the
I'm not
code.
looking at
Stop
your
being
code.
sneaky.
You're still detained for research. So I'm
understand
going
that.
to look what you're doing
You're not-
because I don't know what you're going to get out the bag.
You're not.
Okay?
I'm not.
So I'm going to watch
Right.
what
Do
you're
the code.
doing.
Look, I can't see your
I'll
code
do the
from here.
code.
I can't see
I'll
it from
push the
here.
button and then I'll clear the code. Okay? Because I'm not going to
Okay.
look at it. It's my
Okay.
private
Okay.
Look
information.
at him,
Okay.
I'm gonna look.
Now we hit a genuinely interesting legal gray area, the phone code, under stop and search powers. Officers can search bags and possessions for weapons or evidence. But device passcodes sit in murkier territory. Accessing someone's phone data is a different threshold than checking a bag for a blade. Notice his solution? He offers to enter the code himself, out of view, so the officer can check the contents without seeing his private information directly. It's a reasonable middle ground, and honestly, a smart move under pressure. This is the kind of moment that rarely makes headlines but actually tests how well both sides understand the limits of their own rights. Would you have handled the passcode request the same way, or held firm and refused entirely?
Normally I wouldn't do this. Normally I'd just say,
That's
the
fine.
bag
Look,
open.
that's fine. That's fine. Just do
You know
that.
what I mean?
Just do
Like,
that.
so-
Just do that.
So move away then.
I can't see your code from here, mate.
I'm not. Here you go. Do what you need to do. You break it, you will pay for it. Okay?
How come you're not willing to open it for us?
Because you're not willing to give me the privacy to put my private
I can't-
information in
look,
there.
You stand there, I cannot see that code, can I?
I've got, look,
Hey,
one,
we need to see
two,
what you're
three,
doing.
Come round the
four,
side for me.
five, six,
Just come
seven,
round the side
8
for me.
officers. One of them pulled a
Hey,
taser
listen,
on me, man.
listen,
You expect me to
listen,
trust you?
Listen, listen.
You're off your nut,
Just
mate.
undo the code, no one can see it, and do it now.
What?
So I can check inside so you can get on your way. Alright?
I can see it.
Fine.
Just don't put your hand in the bag, okay?
Shut up. Nobody asked you.
You don't need to talk to us like that.
You pulled a fucking
Hey,
taser
hey,
on me.
Okay.
Listen.
You absolute moron.
Explain
Just
why.
calm down.
You want me to be fucking nice about it? You absolute
Hey.
fool. You're going to get someone hurt. Stupid
Calm down.
woman.
Open the bag to
You
us.
absolute moron.
Done.
Shut your mouth and keep it shut and do your little job. Go and get your paper slip and piss off back into your station. You absolute mug.
There's no need for that, really.
There is every need for it. You pulled a fuck gun on me.
I've explained why. We've gone through it.
Well, fuck it. You're going to get someone hurt. I'm telling you, you shouldn't be in this job if that's what you're doing. You pulled a fucking weapon on someone. You absolute mug. So shut your mouth
not very
and just
nice, though, is
keep out of it, alright?
Yeah, it's not nice. It's not nice.
I don't give a sh. You're not nice. Not nice pulling a fucking taser on someone. You absolute mug with your blue line badge. Take that fucking travesty off and foremost.
Let's just stop that.
Who's
You, apparently.
is it? Where did you get that information from?
From him.
Where did you get that information from?
It said on your phone as I pulled it out.
Whose phone is that?
Your phone?
Is it registered to me?
I assume so, yes, mate.
It's property.
Huh? Are you joking? So someone can't give someone a phone?
Right, just
then it was
stop.
yours.
We
Shut
can let you
up.
go once the bag's done, but
So
you getting
talking
aggravated isn't helping anyone.
aggravated. She pulled a taser on me.
Right, enough now.
Shut up. Blue line badge, a lot of yous. Look, 1, 2, 3. A bit of this is my fucking them. Use a to the next degree. I'm going to have this police force for thousands as a result of this. So thank you very much, and thanks for interfering with my evidence, you little rat.
Step towards them.
What?
You stay over here while we're searching your bag.
Take your
Don't
hand
step
off me.
towards them.
Take
No,
your
I
hand
won't.
off me.
For search at the
You
moment.
did-
Any weapons?
We haven't finished the
Give me it
search,
back.
Oh,
Oh.
What's that
Oh,
then?
what's that? Is it a weapon?
well, I don't know. I'm
You'll
asking
find
you
out,
what
won't
it
you? You'll find out.
is. Okay.
Absolute mug. Don't carry any illegal
Can you
property
tell us
on my
what that
possession.
is?
Find out for yourself.
Okay.
That's a detective. Let him detect.
It's like
What
a
that
red
is.
spray, I think.
This is the ugliest stretch of the whole encounter, and it's worth pausing on it honestly rather than just enjoying the chaos. Insults are flying in both directions now, and it's a good reminder that these standoffs rarely have a clean hero and villain frustration compounds on both sides once emotions take over. From a legal standpoint, though, hurling insults at police, however satisfying it might feel in the moment, is exactly the kind of thing that can tip a stop and search into a public order arrest, which becomes very relevant just a few minutes from now. The self-defense spray also gets flagged here, a legal item in the UK, but still treated with suspicion. It's a small moment, but it says a lot about how guilty until proven innocent this whole search has felt from his side.
Like a paint spray, innit?
Is that a weapon?
No, it's not.
Exactly. So put it back in the bag and piss off.
No, well, I asked you what it was, didn't I?
Don't need
You,
to.
you gave me a rude answer,
It
so...
probably needs to be seized to get.
Seized for what? Seized for what? Perfectly
So
legal.
what do you use it for?
It's barb gel. Self-defense spray. Self-explanatory. It's not illegal. You seize it, it's fine. I'll sue you for that as well. You've already fucked to a massive degree. You start taking my lawful property and you go to the next level.
Possibly.
See, your colleagues know it's legal, you mug. So take it all you want and we'll see what fucking happens to you, you little rat.
But there's no need for that kind of language.
I don't give a shit. Turn my camera off and you pointed a taser at me. So if you think I'm going to sit here and take advice from a stupid little fucking person like you, then you're absolutely delusional. So just shut up.
If you keep speaking to us like this, you're going to get arrested.
For what?
Here's where this gets genuinely educational. The officer threatens arrest under Section 4A of the Public Order Act, intentional harassment, alarm, or distress. But he immediately pushes back with a sharp legal point. That offense typically requires an actual complaint from a member of the public, not just an officer feeling uncomfortable with the language used. This is a common flashpoint in police audits because the threshold for that specific offense really is high, and it's often misapplied in the heat of a tense encounter. It's a genuinely fair challenge on his part, but it also shows how quickly a stop and search can spiral into an arrest threat once words start getting personal. Do you think the officer had legal grounds for that threat, or was this more about frustration boiling over?
Public order offences.
What public order offence?
Intentional harassment, alarm and distress, Section 4A.
Have you had a complaint from a member of the public?
No, but we're all here and we are fearing intentional harassment, alarm
you need
and
to
distress from your actions.
The threshold from that is very, very high. You understand that?
I do
You
understand
the
law,
threshold
yeah.
for that is extremely high. So you need to have a complaint from a member of the public. Have you had a complaint?
No, we don't
So
need to
shut
have
up then.
No, we don't
Do you not
need to
think
have
the
one. Don't tell
threshold's
me
met
shut up.
to-
What threshold? Not at all. You pointed a taser at me from nothing. Have you found anything illegal in my possession?
We're just checking why I pointed the taser at you.
Right, but have you found anything illegal in my possession?
That doesn't matter.
I'm walking
We
about. No, it does
suspected
matter.
you had a weapon.
Of course it matters. I'm walking about.
Suspected you had a weapon in your pocket.
But am I carrying a
Okay.
weapon? Am I carrying a weapon?
At the time, we
You're
didn't
saying
know.
not
Right,
saying
but
you're
now
not.
you know that.
But it
Am I
looks
carrying a
like it.
weapon?
Well, this is why
Am
you're
I
being
carrying
searched.
a weapon? It's a yes or no
Yeah, as
question.
soon as I'm done with the search and I don't find a weapon, you're free to go.
Right.
It is a legal defence spray for the UK.
Hey,
However, I
little
would
boy.
recommend.
Put it back in the bag, little boy.
Listen,
Don't take
listen,
advice.
listen.
Don't take advice. Shut your mouth.
No,
Put
I'm
it back
going
in
to
the
give it
bag.
back to you, but I'm
Shut
going to give you
up.
some advice.
Shut up.
That
Put
if
it
you was
back in
found on
bag.
the street with that,
Don't
it
eat
might be a
yellow
different
snow.
story.
Don't walk in front of buses.
Okay, fine.
Don't play tag with trains.
Are we
Yeah.
escorting him off
Straight out there.
premises?
Yeah, if he's happy to go off site, then he can go off site and he'll be on his way.
Am I de-arrested now?
12 minutes of legal back and forth, and we're finally at the tipping point. The search is over. Nothing illegal was found, and yet he's still on the property, still refusing to move. And the officers are visibly running out of patience. This is the classic auditor strategy, knowing exactly how far the law lets you push, but it's also a genuine gamble. Aggravated trespass isn't the same as ordinary trespass. It typically requires an intent to disrupt a lawful activity. And whether that applies here is exactly the kind of thing a magistrate ends up deciding months later. Both sides seem to sense the stakes rising. What do you think was staying put a smart legal move? Or the mistake that turned this whole video around?
No, you're not. You were never arrested.
Alright,
You're
so-
no longer-
Listen.
You take it over.
So my search is done. Okay. Like I said, if you want to collect a copy, you can go to the inquiry.
No, I
office.
want a paper
You've
copy
got
now.
3 months. Okay.
I'm requesting my paper
Alright.
copy now.
I don't have my laptop with me right now.
Go and
Do
get
I?
one.
There you go. If you want
Okay.
that back, you can have that back.
Take it out of the bag. I'll take it out of the bag.
Take it then.
No, take it out of the bag.
Grab it,
Give me it
grab
as you
the
took it.
bag. Grab it out of the bag.
Oh, you can see my hands are full. Alright. Take it out of the bag. I'm not touching any of that stuff. Alright. Where's my stop and search slip? Are you refusing to go and get me that?
He
Right
hasn't
now?
done it yet,
Are you-
has he?
are you
Because
refusing-
he needs to do the stop and search.
I said, did you listen? Are you refusing to go and get me that?
No, if you go away in the inquiry office, I'll do it now and I'll give it to you. But right now, I can't just magic out of thin air.
I'll wait here for it.
You're not
You
going to wait
can't
here.
wait on the side.
Why not?
Premises.
Private premises.
Come on.
Okay.
Exactly, that's why.
And if I refuse to leave?
Mate, just don't make it awkward. We're
I'm not
asking
your
you nicely.
mate. I'm
I'm
definitely
asking
not
you
your
nicely.
mate.
I'm asking you nicely.
I don't care.
Alright?
Listen, I don't
Just
care
wait
if you
over
come
there
up.
and then I'll
I
give it
really
to
don't
you.
care if you come up with a
That's
pot of gold. I'm not a dog, okay? Don't put your hands on me, alright?
I'm escorting you off the premises.
Pardon?
Could you please start?
And here's the reveal the whole video has been building toward. The weapon that justified 8 officers and a drawn taser was a camera gimbal. Not a knife, not a firearm, a piece of filming equipment. This is the crux of why police audit videos go viral. The gap between the perceived threat and the actual reality. It raises a real question about training and threat assessment. Should an unfamiliar object automatically escalate to weapon-level force? Or should officers have taken a beat to ask before drawing? On one hand, Officers don't get the luxury of hindsight in the moment. On the other, this is exactly the kind of split-second call that ends up scrutinized for months afterward, as we're about to see.